to clean a dark or hard to reach space, it has a light feature for you. And here, as you can see, my floor is filthy. We're going to put this baby to the test. And the suction power, as you can see, is amazing. This will be perfect to clean those hard to reach areas like in the creases of your sofas, hard to reach nooks and crannies in your cabinets or drawers. And if you're like me and you hate to clean your automobiles, this will be perfect to help you get that area too. So let's put her to the test and see what she does. On styling cleaning, guys, I am so amazed at how easy this is to maneuver and function. Like I said, it's lightweight, so I can just go up and down my sofas with ease without any strain. There's no weight or extra tension on the wrist. It just allows me to flow and go, and I am here for that. So kudos to LifeWit for this really nice handheld vac. If you're in the market, I will leave a link in my description box along with a discount code for your purchasing pleasures. Now, if you're cleaning with me, sis, let's keep going. If you're sitting back and watching and relaxing, then sis or sir, enjoy the rest of this cleaning motivation. And so at this point, I decided to play around with the attachments just to see if there would be a noticeable difference. And let me just tell you, this little brush was a game changer. I don't know if it's a blessing or a curse, but I am obsessed with all things vacuum lines or patterns. And so after attaching this one, I just had to have those vacuum lines in my sofa. And I am loving it, as you can see.